Under the shadow of the courthouse, people walk briskly, documents clutched tightly, faces taut with unspoken tension. One case in particular echoes within its walls, whispered about in hidden corridors, and it comes to this. Someone has withheld a crucial piece of information. The wheels of justice have been wrenched to a halt, like a sudden obstacle thrown into the gears of a machine. But this is no mere technical delay. It's a disruption of something deeper, something akin to nature's unforgiving forces. Imagine for a moment the sheer force of a hurricane. Picture it, swirling violently, indifferent to the structures and lives it consumes. Now imagine trying to stop it, cutting across its path as though it were possible to avert such an unstoppable event. But the truth in these courtrooms and beyond is stark. Obstructing justice acts like interposing against that hurricane. It's the enchantment of believing in control where there is none. What does one experience when they attempt to defy such natural order? The investigation reveals that obstruction of justice isn't as rare as one might assume. It exists in quiet conversations, in hushed agreements made behind closed doors, in withheld documents that might never see the light of day. It's a pattern as old as the law itself. Take Sasha, whose life was torn asunder by such an obstruction. She sits in her modest kitchen, sunlight trickling through floral curtains, sipping coffee. There on the table lies the evidence, a single document kept from view by someone who decided her fate was negotiable. Her struggle becomes more than personal. It's a narrative of countless others trapped in the same insidious web. Complexities abound. Legal frameworks are designed to protect, yet they falter under pressure like this. The question remains, why do some choose to obstruct? Is it a misguided promise of power, a gamble for control, or mere oversight? Whatever the motivation, the consequences ricochet far beyond the individual. But justice, much like nature, finds its balance, often in unexpected ways. As the investigation deepens, we learn that trying to obstruct truth ultimately leads one's own life into the same chaos. The obstructed eventually becomes the obstructed, lives disrupted, relations strained. How poetic, yet how devastatingly real. This revelation stops us in our tracks, much like the eye of a storm bringing temporary calm before the new chaos unleashed by its power. A turning point emerges. The very fabric of community and law tightens its threads in response. Evidence once hidden finds light, often unexpectedly through whistleblowers, courageous individuals who challenge the silence. The system has its own mysterious ways of correcting itself, as if drawn by an invisible hand towards equilibrium. In the courtroom, where justice was once deferred, decisions that honor truth and transparency are made. For the first time, Sasha feels something shift, a reminder that justice, like nature, might be slow, but it is certain. As the documentary closes, we turn a compassionate gaze towards the broader picture. What does this unraveling mean for us sitting at home, separate yet connected to Sasha's story? It's a powerful call to action, to integrity intertwined with destiny. Just like the age-old tenet, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Interfere with another's path and watch as your life becomes obstructed in karmic reciprocity. This isn't only Sasha's story, it's a universal lesson. Faced with the seductive allure of power or control, pause and consider the hurricane. For in reality, we do not control the storm. We navigate cautiously or face its natural, sweeping consequences. The narrative lives with us, urging a return to truth. The question lingers, how do you want to be remembered? As one who flowed with the natural order, or as storm debris scattered and forgotten?